everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can find email addresses using Searchbug's Batch Append tool. So first and foremost, I need you to head over to searchbug.com and then select Business Services tab and then click on Append Contact List. So the first step will be to upload the file that you're going to use. Please make sure that your file is either in CSV, text, or Excel format. Click on Choose File and then select the file that you're going to use. So once you selected the file, click on Continue. And the second step will be to identify the columns of the file that you just uploaded. So here, it already identified the columns such as first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip code, since I have a list with the header row of the column names. So in this case, I can just go ahead and click Continue to next step, which will be to select the service that I'm going to use. So I'm going to only select the standard append service, and then we're going to choose the Find Email Address service as the sub-service. So in this specific page, we'll also be able to review the number of records that we have on file, the estimated cost for the file, and the typical match rate. So if we're going to find email address from person's name, the match rate is different from the find email address from person's name, city, and state. So the match rate depends on the service that you're going to use. So if you wanted to have a higher match rate, you can explore by clicking on each and every service. So once everything is reviewed, you can go ahead and click on Process My Data. There you go. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to see that your file is now up and running. So in order to monitor your batch, the progress of your batch, you can go ahead and click on Batch Dashboard, or if you click your name on the upper right hand corner, you'll be able to check Bulk Dashboard. And this is where we can download the batch that we just uploaded. So this is also where we can download all of the files that we uploaded in the past by clicking Download Results. So in just a matter of seconds, you'll be able to view the report, and you'll find appended information alongside your original data. So I received this question back then: why is the Batch Append tool so useful? My answer to that question is, this is so useful, especially for those who are managing a large contact list. Having complete information, including email addresses, phone numbers, is crucial for effective communication and marketing. And this tool will help you quickly and accurately update your list. Also will save your time by ensuring that your data is complete as possible. So thank you again, guys.